To stop SIP in Zerodha coin, first log into your Zerodha coin portal. Now the home page will look like this. This is the Zerodha coins dashboard. Now when you scroll down here, you can see an option called upcoming SIPs. Now click on manage. When you click on manage, this page will open. Here you can see I am doing SIP in SBI equity hybrid fund, and the next installment date here you can see it. Now to delete the SIP, click on these three dots. Here you can see an option called delete. Now click on delete. Now choose a reason for deleting the SIP. I am choosing will be restarting SIP after few months. Now click on delete. Here you can see AMC SIP cancelled. You don't have any active SIPs. Now what happens after deleting the SIP? See, deleting the SIP and withdrawing the mutual fund, that means redeeming the mutual fund, both are different. Now we just deleted the SIP. That means from the next installment date, no amount will be debited from our bank account. In order to withdraw the amount, again go to the dashboard. Here you can see mutual funds. Now click on this arrow. Now you can see your fund details. Here my scheme is SBI equity hybrid fund. Here you can see the total amount, the current amount. Here you can see the invested amount. To redeem the amount, again click on these three dots and click on redeem. Now you can choose number of units to redeem, or click on redeem all, so that the entire amount you will get in your bank account. It takes 2 to 3 days to get the full amount into your bank account after redeeming the mutual fund. This is how to delete SIP in Zerodha coin and what will happen after deleting the SIP.